Hey friends, if you wish to update Windows 11 latest version without losing a single thing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, before I move to this, I want you to know that if you were to download it from the website, which is catalog.microsoft.com, there may be losses, but not necessarily. Okay, but there may be. But to be on the safer side, just go through the settings route, which is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Now go to advanced options, select optional updates and install all of these. Okay, and one more thing that you can do is go to Windows Update and turn this switch on which says get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Again, click on check for updates. Once they are done, restart the system and then keep on clicking on check for updates. After restarting till you get this green tick here which says you are up to date. Okay, you won't lose anything through this method, but yes, you may lose if you are trying to install the version from catalog.microsoft.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.